Hello guys. So I've been using PracticePanther for a while now, and I have to say it's been a mixed bag, but overall it leans really positive for me. If you think about running a Shopify store, it's similar to having one platform where you can manage everything: orders, inventory, customer communication, and billing, without jumping between multiple tools. From the moment I started, I noticed how intuitive the interface is. I didn't have to spend hours figuring things out. I could jump right in and start organizing cases, tracking billable hours, and managing client communications all from one place. For Shopify owners, this is like being able to manage your products, track sales, and communicate with customers all from a single dashboard, saving a lot of time and reducing errors. The mobile app is a big plus too, because I can check case details or send invoices when I'm out of the office, which saves me a ton of time. For small business owners, think of it as being able to check order statuses or update inventory while you're away from your computer, which keeps operations running smoothly. I've also found that the integrations with accounting tools like QuickBooks are pretty seamless, so managing payments and billing becomes less of a headache. For Shopify stores, this is similar to syncing your sales data with accounting software, so you can generate accurate profit reports and reduce manual bookkeeping. The automation features are solid as well. Things like reminders for deadlines, automatic invoice generation, and workflow tracking have definitely reduced the stress of day-to-day administrative tasks. If you run multiple stores or handle lots of customer orders, automation like this can be a game changer, helping you focus on growth rather than repetitive tasks. That said, there are some drawbacks I've run into. While the core features are strong, the API is a bit frustrating. If you're trying to get detailed reporting or pull data for custom dashboards, it's not as straightforward as you might hope. I've had to create some workarounds to get meaningful insights because the public-facing API hasn't really been updated in years. Shopify store owners might relate to this when trying to integrate multiple apps or pull custom sales analytics that go beyond the standard dashboard. Also, I've noticed that the desktop app can occasionally be a little clunky, and in some cases, login screens are covered with ads, which can be annoying when you just want to get to work quickly. For small business owners, this is like having unnecessary pop-ups or slow-loading admin pages that slow down your workflow. Manageable, but sometimes frustrating. Customer support is mostly good during normal hours, but evenings and weekends are a bit of a blind spot. Pricing can feel steep if you're a solo practitioner, but I think the productivity gains and time saved justify it if you're running a small to medium-sized firm. Similarly, for Shopify owners, investing in a more premium tool can save hours each week, which often offsets the cost. On the positive side, the support staff I've interacted with have been really helpful and patient, guiding me through setup and onboarding without making it feel overwhelming. For small business owners, that kind of guidance is invaluable when integrating multiple systems or learning new software. The learning curve is short, and once you're comfortable, the software just flows. Case management, invoicing, and client portals are clean and well integrated, which makes life easier when juggling multiple clients or projects. For Shopify, think of it like having a dashboard that handles orders, returns, and customer questions seamlessly in one place. I also love that it keeps everything in one place. I don't have to bounce between 5 different tools to get a clear picture of what's going on in my practice. For small business owners, this reduces mistakes and gives you real-time clarity on your workflow and revenue. Overall, PracticePanther has been a solid addition to my workflow. It's not perfect, especially if you need highly customized reporting or a totally ad-free experience on the desktop app. But the time savings, intuitive interface, and mobile accessibility make it a game changer for keeping my firm organized and running smoothly. For Shopify owners, that's like having an all-in-one backend that saves hours every week and reduces stress. I'd recommend it to any attorney or small law firm looking for a reliable, user-friendly solution that handles both case management and billing efficiently. And for any small business owner, the lesson is clear. Investing in a tool that centralizes operations, automates routine tasks, and provides mobile access can free up time to focus on growth rather than admin.